Round 5 here in Chicago. The world has been waiting to come to the USA, and it is going to be spectacular. Next year's grand final, this year it is the WTS Chicago. And weather temperatures very, very warm. So humid, in fact, that although the water temperature low enough to wear wetsuits, the decision was to go without wetsuits with nearly 90% humidity in the high 80s. Out of the water first, not a big surprise. A lot of chop in that swim, with just over 20 minutes for Ruche from Spain. She is all by herself, but about 10 seconds back. Nikki Samuels should be coming here very quickly. Moffatt as well, a great swim for Emma Moffatt as the Olympic Games bronze medalist gets to head out. A small group of about 6 or 7, and there's Gwen Jorgensen trying to catch right on. She's just into that bunch. You can see Moffatt very quickly on, going up to the front. Couple of the Japanese athletes trying to push there very quickly as well. More corners and 180-degree turns than we've ever had before. That's Gwen Jorgensen right now back in the chase pack. That mark on her leg was from a crash about a week ago. And there is Flora Duffy back racing ITU, the woman who's been winning some Xterra races right now in the chase group. Back up to the lead, Emma Moffatt going very quickly along with Kirsten Sweetland and Nikki Samuels. They have continued to push the pace, trying to stay ahead of Gwen Jorgensen as they come to the end of the 8-lap, multiple back and forth 180-degree turns. You can see right there in front of the fountain, they're going to have about a 65 or 66-second gap onto the chase group. That includes that woman right there, Gwen Jorgensen. 5 wins on the circuit, 2 in a row in 2014. Can she make 3 for 3, go into the all-time lead with 6? We'll see. And Gwen Jorgensen is eating up the competition. These were women who were off the bike 66 seconds ahead of her. That's Nikki Samuels just up the street right there. Gwen Jorgensen right now trying to run through, trying to win at home. Family here watching her race for the first time on a WTS race. Helen Jenkins, the 2-time world champion, trying to hold on right now. Ide just sitting on her back as she has for most of the run. And here comes Gwen Jorgensen. Jorgensen now making the acceleration, and look at the gap she has put on. 5 meters in a matter of seconds. It is all over, ladies and gentlemen. The crowd loving it. The first time the WTS has come to Chicago, and the hometown girl who lives just 100 miles away, Gwen Jorgensen, will claim her 3rd consecutive win in 2014, her 6th on the circuit. She is now the all-time winningest woman. Gwen Jorgensen, simply unbelievable run there today. And here comes Helen Jenkins. She's got to be very pleased with that run. Juri Ide coming in across the line in 3rd. Just brilliant running by all 3 of these women in huge humidity, tough conditions, and they are very pleased at the end of the day. The crowd is loving it. She's become the 2014 national champion as well as the WTS winner here, and she'll go to the next race with a huge gap in points over the rest of the women.
I don't know about that race. I mean, I just, I didn't have the swim I wanted, but to come back and the crowd really pushed me through the finish.